Healthier Together, sponsored by Regents Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oregon.
This year, some people are referring to it as the triple threat.
The holiday season has arrived along with what's being dubbed the tripledemic of COVID-19, influenza, and RSV. In today's Healthier Together, we're taking a look at the impact and the latest advice from experts to protect you and your family through the holidays. Here's Executive Medical Director for Regents, Dr. James Polo.
First of all three are fairly common, all three are viruses, and all three are contagious. Any of these can progress to potentially need care at a hospital, and it's really about whether or not an individual is having difficulty breathing or a high fever.
The combination of the three has put a serious strain on hospitals in the Pacific Northwest and across the country. Sales of children's pain and fever medications have more than doubled from last year, leading to empty store shelves.
Now that we're coming back into an environment where we're more interactive with others and so forth, we're getting exposed to the very same viruses that we did before, and of course you're going to have more people getting infected.
The Oregon Health Authority says flu levels are near record levels in the state, with flu test positivity going up by 32.3% the week of December 4th through 10th compared to 28.3% the week before. Nationwide, COVID cases have increased by more than 35% the past 2 weeks, with deaths up 25%. And flu activity remains high with 15 million cases, 150,000 hospitalizations, and more than 9,000 deaths so far this year.
It's important to remember that for both the flu and COVID, we do have a vaccine. Get those kids back into their pediatricians and make sure they're up to date on their vaccinations.
On top of the flu shot and COVID booster, here are some other recommendations from experts this holiday/tripledemic season. The Oregon Health Authority advises you wear a face covering in crowded indoor areas, particularly to protect kids and older adults. Take time to weigh the risk when it comes to holiday plans. Think about how much you're willing to risk getting sick, and the same goes for the people that you plan to see. What's the risk of getting them sick? Every family and individual will be different. Keep up hygiene and hand washing. And if you're sick, stay home.
Getting rest, maintaining good hydration, drinking lots of fluids, and then particularly for folks that seem to have difficulty with breathing, blowing their nose, getting as much of that mucus out. And for little babies, parents, actually suctioning with one of those little suction cups that most parents have.
For more information and other news to keep you and your family healthy, visit kgw.com/healthiertogether.